Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Airtable to Shopify using Make step by step clearly. To connect Airtable to Shopify using Make, start by logging into your Make account. Once you're logged in, click on Create a new scenario. This will take you to the Scenario Builder interface. Next, click on the plus icon to add the first module. Search for Airtable in the module search bar and select it. Choose the action you want to perform in Airtable, such as Create Record or Update Record. Now, you'll need to connect your Airtable account to Make. Click on Add to set up a new connection. You'll be prompted to enter your Airtable API key in Base ID. You can find your API key in your Airtable account settings. Once you enter your credentials, click Continue to finish the connection. Now that your Airtable module is set up, click the plus icon again to add the Shopify module. Search for Shopify and select it. Choose the appropriate action for your Shopify store, such as Create Product or Update Inventory. Next, connect your Shopify account to Make. Enter your Shopify store URL and the necessary API credentials. After successfully connecting, click Continue. Now, map the fields from Airtable to Shopify. For each field, select the corresponding Airtable data that you want to send to Shopify. Once all fields are mapped, click OK. You can test your scenario by clicking on the Run Once button. This will execute the workflow and show you if any adjustments are needed. If everything works as expected, click on Save to finalize your scenario. Your Airtable and Shopify integration is now set up and ready to automate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.